Welcome to Note Making, an insight at MT. The objective of today's topic is to help one earn ability to define note making, list the various essential features of notes, help create notes based on the various hints given. Note-making is a practical and must-learn skill that can be used in different walks of life and is quite useful to not only students but also working professionals, as it enables one to present large chunks of information in a brief, logically organized and clear manner. Note-making as such has the following important uses. It helps aid our memory and refresh the same in connection to something we have read or come across in the past. Remember important details of any text. Prepare any subject for examinations, plan essays, speeches and lectures, etc. Participate and excel in discussions, debates, or make an authentic and reliable record of the same. Remember, while reproducing the details based on the notes made, the main governing idea or the fundamental meaning or sense of the text or draft or speech, etc., should not get distorted, but should remain the same. Beware and be aware. No personal comments or views, please. Let us now check out the basic or fundamental features of note making. Notes are always brief and are written in the third person. Only relevant details or facts are included in notes. Illustrations, diagrams, long explanations are always excluded from notes. Full sentences are not at all used. Instead, phrases or even words are used to present the requisite information. All information must be presented in a logical sequence. Notes can be divided into main points, subpoints and sub-points, etc. Make use of titles or headings for main points or subpoints. We have main points that can be represented by numbers such as or capital letters such as. Be subpoints that can be represented by numbers such as or lowercase letters such as. Can also include sub-points that may be represented as, and so on and so forth. Notes include abbreviations, acronyms and other commonly used symbols. Keep in mind, they must be easily recognizable. You must provide a key to your abbreviations or other symbols used. Do not use an abbreviation for more than one word. Now, following the guidelines listed above, we shall practice making effective notes. Passage for note making. One cannot recall any moment in world history which has gripped the imagination of the entire human race so completely and so rapidly as the Green Movement, which started nearly 25 years ago. In 1972, the world's first nationwide Green Party was founded in New Zealand. Since then, the movement has not looked back. we have shifted, one hopes, irrevocably from the mechanistic view to a holistic and ecological view of the world. It is a shift in human perceptions as revolutionary as that introduced by Copernicus, who taught mankind in the 16th century that the Earth and the other planets revolved round the Sun. For the first time in human history, there is a growing worldwide consciousness that the Earth itself is a living organism, an enormous being of which we are parts. It has its own metabolic needs and vital processes which need to be respected and preserved. The Earth's vital signs reveal a patient in declining health. We have begun to realize our ethical obligations to be good stewards of the planet and responsible trustees of the legacy to future generations. The title suggested here has been borrowed from the actual chapter, which is The Ailing Planet, the Green Movement's Role, although one may choose any other title too, but it should be relevant and appropriate. For example, The Green Movement, a welcome step to healing the planet. Your notes on the passage above may look like as follows. The title, The Ailing Planet, the Green Movement's Role. There are two subtitles here. Subtitle A, Green Movement, started 25 years ago, gripped all human imagination, and the process is irrevocable. World's first Green Party founded in New Zealand in 1972. Subtitle B, Current Human Perception, Mechanistic to Holistic and Ecological. The shift as revolutionary as the Copernicus theory about Sun, Earth and other planets. Earth, as humans understand it today, living organism, metabolic needs and vital processes, reveal Earth's declining health, need to be respected and preserved, ethical obligations realized, need to be good stewards and responsible trustees of the legacy for future generation. Key to abbreviation as follows: years, worlds, human, imagination, Green Party, and this symbol is for similar to. Then generation. The above are the suggested abbreviations, but one may abbreviate and write the others too. Minimum 4 are required in this regard.